Meaning of duster.
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 Duster. A duster is a tool used for cleaning that consists of a long handle with a soft, fuzzy material attached to the end. The material is usually made from feathers, wool, or synthetic fibers and is designed to attract and hold on to dust and other small particles. When using a duster, the user gently sweeps the material across surfaces, removing dust and leaving them clean. Dusters are commonly used in homes, offices, and other indoor environments to keep surfaces free of dust and other debris.